Welcome to Eurexpo Lyon, France. We are here for the 47th edition of WorldSkills. WorldSkills is an institution that shows the importance of vocational skills around the world. And during these 4 days, contestants from all over the world will show their skills from all kinds of vocational areas in this event. This year, INTAMSYS is official equipment supplier for 2 skills. One is additive manufacturing, and also we are sponsoring our equipment for mechanical engineering CAD design. For these skills, INTAMSYS is supplying 47 units of the FunMap Pro 310. This machine is the perfect machine because it's built for industrial use. The machine combines ease of use together with the ability to use engineering grade materials. Besides supplying the machines and the consumables needed for the competition this week, INTAMSYS is also supporting the contestants technically, being here for training, but also we have our own stand where we can show the technology, we can show the applications, and most importantly, the career opportunities when being able to use a 3D printer.
Behind me you can see more than 30 students, and this is a really good example how 3D printing is used in modern engineering. Although some of the students have never used our printers before, I saw already at the familiarization day that they really started to use it and got quickly great printing results. I'm really curious for the outcome in the end of the competition. For us, the participation in WorldSkills Lyon is just the beginning, and we at INTAMSYS will further continue to support vocational education and students all over the world.